Good morning, I'm Brandon Allen with Tadlock Roofing. I'm at 10611 Front Beach Road, the Ocean Ritz. We're on the roof. And what I want to show you here is kind of what's going on with the leak that you're having. You can see right here the fasteners on this, which you have standing seam metal right here, and you've got fasteners down at the bottom. And they've been caulked over. The caulk is starting to break away and dry out. And then there's rubber washers underneath each of these fasteners. It's starting to go as well, but you can see as the water's coming down, it's getting through these fasteners, getting behind them, and it's getting in behind your material, your roofing material here, and you can see it's basically creating a water bed. We've got water all up underneath here, and I believe your unit 1702 is directly below. We can definitely pull this out. We can replace these fasteners. Counted 17 total. We can replace them and then seal over them again to further protect them. I also recommend, which this isn't really attributing to the leak, but it certainly isn't helping it, and that would be this drainage line from the AC. Recommend just extending this PVC pipe out just so it's away from the metal and it would come down out onto the roof surface. So those are definitely some things that we can do for you, and you can see what's happening with the water. The water's coming down in between these two peaks here and hitting this metal directly, and it's just coming down in a flood, but it's getting into these seams right here, or I'm sorry, into these fasteners at the bottom. Now coming over here, something else we did notice too, and you can see there's definitely some age on this roofing system. You can see there's been all these little square pieces here are actually patches that have been made. Something I noticed, we've got some, and there's several others as well, but these are two right here together where we've got the patches are actually coming up. And those are potential leaks too that you may not necessarily be seeing or realize, but they're definitely there. And there's something that we can take care of relatively easily. Same thing here, you can see, again, the material's coming away. The welding is just coming up, and of course water's going to be able to get up underneath that, especially when you have a real hard rain and it's sitting holding on this roofing system. Again, you can see the number of patches that have been made. There's several throughout the whole rooftop. So those are something, again, we can touch up relatively easily. I don't see any other issues. I've walked the walls. I don't see anything, but that's something as well. Our guys can come up here and walk every square inch of it and just see if there's anything else that they find. Again, my name is Brandon with Tadlock Roofing. Thank you.